Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making an interesting recipe, burnt chocolate halwa. Have you heard about it? So let's begin. For making this recipe we require a dark compound. We'll be making this burnt chocolate halwa with dark chocolate. We will need to cut it into small pieces. You can use a sharp knife, you can use a grater, chop them into small pieces. You can just slice them such that it will grate itself. This recipe is quite delicious. Just prepare it in the way it has been shown. First we'll add salted butter in a heated pan. Once it starts melting, we'll add the grated chocolate. Mix the butter and chocolate thoroughly so that there is no lumps in it. For making this recipe you also require halwa. So always prepare any kind of halwa in advance so that everything is ready and you just need to add in this melted chocolate. I have made carrot halwa or gajar ka halwa in advance and I will be adding it to the mixture. Mix it thoroughly and you will keep on mixing it till it comes together. It will come to a binding consistency. I'll be adding more halwa to it. The halwa should absorb all the melted chocolate. It should not overpower. This halwa will look dark brown in color and will look so beautiful and glazy that you would just love the sight of the halwa. This burnt chocolate halwa smells delicious too. As you can see, now it is ready and we will take a mold and we will start filling it with the burnt chocolate halwa. Once it gets cooled, it will set in this mold. You can serve this halwa in this mold itself. Set the halwa in the refrigerator. The halwa is ready to be served. This recipe is very delicious and definitely do try this recipe, and thanks for watching.